going on, guys? It is Chris with 605 Brew Reviews, back with yet another beer review. And today we're looking at another IPA, this one out of North Dakota. This is Fargo Brewing Company's Wood Chipper IPA. Couple of notes on this one, guys. This was canned back on October 30th, so we're right at kind of the 2-month mark now. Comes in at 6.7% ABV and 70 IBU. They've got that right on the can here, which is nice. They also say they use Horizon, Cascade, Centennial, Chinook, and Simcoe hops, as well as Northwestern Pale Ale, Munich, Karistan, and Oats for malt. And can says this classic American IPA showcases an aromatic, bold hop flavor. Oats and Horizon hops provide a sleek, velvety body and balanced bitterness, while 2 pounds per barrel of dry hopping offer initial waves of citrus and pine. We would give our left foot for another pint. So, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into the Wood Chipper IPA from Fargo Brewing Company. Here we go. Alright, guys, using the Carpe Brew snifter on this one. Go ahead and get this into a glass. There you have it, kind of a nice, pretty clear, hazy, kind of almost amber or golden amber color. That pour gave us about a finger of a pretty kind of soapy looking head there, guys. Kind of rocky bubbles. But just a really pleasant looking IPA. Let's go ahead and get into the aroma on the Fargo Wood Chipper. Alright, guys, so getting into the aroma on the Fargo Wood Chipper. Really nice, soft citrus. Definitely like a candied orange. You get some almost citrus pithiness, a little bit of pine, and just a hint of some sweet malt to kind of back that up. Really pleasant, kind of West Coast style smelling IPA. Let's go ahead and get into the flavor on the Fargo Wood Chipper. Cheers. So just like the aroma, guys, right up front, you get a bunch of that kind of soft citrus, again like a candied orange, a little bit of like a grapefruit or orange pith. Middle of the mouth, you get a punch of bitterness. You definitely get some of that piney, again, West Coast IPA all the way with this one. Into the palate, dries out. You get some of that lingering citrus, again, candied orange type of note there. And you do get a little bit of those sweet malts, and I almost get kind of a biscuity character. I will say, you know, with the oats added, there can't be a ton here, but it does make this, you know, really pleasant, really balanced feeling. It's got kind of a smooth, medium plus mouthfeel, you know, for a 6.7% single IPA. So, pretty pleasant, guys. Getting into the final verdict on this one, guys, I would say this is a B+ beer for me. Just classic West Coast IPA. I really like that mouthfeel though, kind of that bigger mouthfeel, and just a very crisp, refreshing, but balanced beer. So again, a B+ beer for me, guys. If you guys have had Wood Chipper from Fargo Brewing Company, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Otherwise, if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe. And until next time, cheers. Thanks for watching.